मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण के जयपुर दौरे की राजस्थान चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट फाउंडेशन के कार्यक्रम में निर्मला सीतारमण संबोधित कर रही हैं। देखिए तस्वीरें।
These many number of scams had happened. Scams by themselves are wrong, but each one of the scam had created a collateral damage to the economy. And shortage of coal would have resulted in 72 hours of blackout in the western part of India at that time. Or shortage of coal would have kept many of the thermal producing companies, thermal producing public sector undertakings also without power and so on. But the fact is, today we are looking back to confidence because in the 10 years the economy had been restored with tremendous effort, transparent effort, with not a whisper of corruption and a complete dedication shown by the Honorable Prime Minister. So if we are at a stage where even a white paper which would have sounded, how can I put it? A white paper, if released in 2014, would have sounded only a sense of hopelessness in this country. It would have established the fear that something has gone wrong, we don't know how deep the problem is, and can we ever come out of this? That would have been the sum and substance of people reading a white paper in 2014 would have been. So reading it in 14 would have left India even further into a confusion, into hopelessness, and a disbelief that we can ever revive. So the levels of scandal, the extent of scandal, the scope and size of the scandal, all of which give a message to the Indians that even as you were reading it in the media, it made you think, what has been so badly handled? Can it ever be restored? So releasing it 10 years afterwards, it actually tells you what it was then and what kind of effort it took for us to come back to being the 5th largest economy. Even as we say 5th largest economy, we are sure that within a few years, maybe just 1.5 to 2 years,